Are you applying your skincare in the right order? We're going to walk through the perfect routine to properly layer your skincare so that you start seeing the best results possible. This is pretty obvious, but you're going to want to start with your cleanser. That's going to just make sure that you get everything off of your skin, all of the dirt, oil, makeup, anything that you have on your skin from the day. You want that completely clean and off so that your skincare products that you put on top can actually benefit your skin instead of just slapping them on and causing clogged pores and all of that stuff. So cleanse your skin. I recommend a double cleanse unless you are very, very dry or sensitive, in which case you can do a single cleanse, but do use a makeup remover for your eye makeup, your lips, that kind of thing. After you cleanse, you're going to want to tone your skin. What a toner does is it balances the pH of your skin so that everything else can properly penetrate into the layers of the skin and do their job. Sometimes you can have active ingredients or your treatment ingredients in your toner, and that is completely fine. You can use that. It's meant to be used together. It's formulated that way. But if your toner does not have actives in it, then you're going to want to use those actives as your chemical exfoliant in the next step. Next, you're going to want to exfoliate. Now, I don't recommend you do this every day, especially starting out, because your skin could become too stripped and too reactive. But if you are exfoliating every other day, let's say, you are going to want to use either a physical or chemical exfoliant. Since this video is about layering skincare products, I'm going to talk about a chemical exfoliant, and then we'll move on to everything else. So a chemical exfoliant is going to go into your skin, break down any of those dead skin cells, those bonds that hold the dead skin cells together, or increase the cell turnover to make everything, all of the dirt, oil, anything that's hiding under there come to the surface, and we can get rid of it. So that is what a chemical exfoliant does. So you are going to have a couple of different kinds of chemical exfoliants. So you're going to have AHAs and BHAs. Those are alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. You're going to have, for your AHAs, lactic, glycolic, mandelic. These are all water-soluble exfoliants that are going to be overall better if you have dry or sun-damaged skin. BHAs, on the other hand, are oil-soluble, and they're going to be a little bit better for those who have a little excess oil on the skin, oily, acne-prone, or even combination skin. The most popular BHA has got to be salicylic acid, and this is really going to help fight any excess oil or acne. It's going to help clear pores and reduce inflammation. There are also PHAs or polyhydroxy acids. Those are a little bit less common, but they're still that don't really fall into those categories, like vitamin A, which would be retinol, or azelaic acid, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. But basically, one of those acids are going to be what you want to do in this step of your routine. Now, it's important to note that sometimes you can have these ingredients in a different product of your skincare routine, like a cleanser, like a toner, or something else, but these exfoliants are better used, in my opinion, in a serum on a consistent basis. You can add these ingredients in your routine, in your toner, in peel pads, but overall, for a good base of your skincare routine, I would say add your treatment step as your serum. After you have treated with those active ingredients in your serum step, you can move on to other serums that maybe hydrate the skin or are inactive ingredients that you also want to use in your routine. So this would be your hyaluronic acid or anything like that. Now, at the very end of your routine, you're going to want to put your moisturizer if it is in the evening. And if it's in the morning, you'll want to do your moisturizer and then your SPF last. Putting on a moisturizer is really important at the end of your skincare routine so that you are locking in all of those good ingredients that we used in our treatment to help them really penetrate into the skin and also rehydrate after we've used some of those more harsh ingredients. And then, of course, in the morning time, it is really important to use an SPF as the last step of your routine so that you're protecting throughout the entire day against the sun and, again, allowing those ingredients to work, and you can reapply your sunscreen throughout the day. As far as the extras, like your eye creams and your lip treatments, I would recommend doing those at the end of your routine so that they're kind of like the cherry on top. I go over all of these steps, and I even give product recommendations in my new free guide. I made the Dream Skin Routine Guide, and it will walk you through exactly what we talked about today, step by step. You can print it off so that you can have it in your bathroom or wherever you need to see it to remember the perfect way to layer your skincare. Hopefully this helps you in your routine, but the guide is going to go even more in depth. It's going to give you product recommendations. It's going to tell you how to add in other ingredients into your routine, how to use masks, all of those good things. So be sure to grab that free guide in the description, and I am so excited for you to start using it and to let me know how you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.